Beneath our feet lies a world unseen by most, untouched by the hustle and bustle of human civilization. A world that moves and breathes at its own pace, where light never penetrates, where time passes in whispers. In the deepest, most isolated corners of the earth, there is no sound except for the steady drip of water from cavernous ceilings and the movement of air through narrow, winding passages. Yet, this silent world carries the untold history of our planet. For eons, it has remained undisturbed, holding secrets that even the most advanced technologies can only begin to unlock. For centuries, humans have marveled at the unknowns beneath the Earth's surface, wondering what it is that lies hidden in the shadows, just beyond reach. What stories do these depths hold? What ancient forces have shaped the rock beneath our feet? And more hauntingly, what lies at the very heart of the planet? A place where light and air have never ventured, where time itself seems to stand still. It is this quest for understanding, this insatiable drive to probe the Earth's deepest recesses, that compels the brave to venture into the abyss. Here, deep within the rugged wilderness of the Julian Alps, lies the portal to the deepest known cave on Earth, Vertiglavica, a name that echoes in the hearts of the few who have dared to explore it. Over 2,000 meters beneath the surface, it reaches into the earth like a gaping wound, its passageways winding and twisting into the unknown. It is a cave that seems to defy our understanding, a place where the very laws of nature are stretched to their limits. But to those who stand before it, there is no hesitation, no second guessing. It is not just a cave to them. It is the final frontier of human exploration. As they step into this yawning void, they leave behind everything familiar: the sun, the wind, the sound of birdsong. In the blackness of the cave, there is nothing but the sound of their breath, the echo of their footsteps, and the hum of their equipment. It is a world where even the bravest explorers are reminded of their fragility, where every inch forward is a reminder of their insignificance in the face of nature's infinite power. In the face of such vast unknowns, humanity's greatest asset is its ingenuity. Equipped with advanced technology, the explorers are armed not only with ropes and harnesses, but with tools that allow them to peer deeper into the cave's hidden chambers. Mapping drones capable of charting miles of passageways, high-powered lights capable of cutting through the blackness, cameras capable of capturing the tiniest details, from strange mineral formations to microscopic organisms isolated from the surface world for millions of years. These technological marvels are not simply instruments. They are the bridge between humanity and the vast unknown. With each new piece of data, we inch closer to understanding the forces that have shaped the world beneath us. Yet, for all the technology we have developed, there is something undeniably humbling about stepping into a place so remote, so untouched by time, that it seems to exist on its own plane of existence. Here, human ingenuity is both our greatest strength and our most delicate tool. With each meter descended, the psychological toll becomes heavier. It is not just the physical exhaustion that weighs on the explorers, but the profound isolation of the cave. As they move deeper, they leave behind the world of light, of air, of human voices. Here, in the depths of the earth, they are alone, not just in body, but in mind. There is no horizon to guide them, no sky above. There is only rock, darkness, and the echo of their own thoughts. It is a space where the mind is forced to confront its own limitations, where the silence is so deep, so all-encompassing, that it becomes a weight in itself. The deeper they go, the more the human spirit is tested. The fear is not just of the unknown, but of losing touch with the world above. It is the fear of becoming lost, of being swallowed by the earth, never to return. And yet, this fear is not enough to stop them. For the pursuit of knowledge, the thirst for discovery, drives them forward deeper into the abyss. But as they descend deeper, they are not only confronted by the harshness of the cave, but by its eerie, otherworldly beauty. These underground realms are not just dark corridors. They are living landscapes sculpted over millennia by forces so slow, so patient, that it is almost incomprehensible. Vast chambers open before them, their ceilings draped with delicate stalactites, their floors covered in glistening crystals. Underground lakes, their waters as still as glass, stretch out like silent, mirrored pools, undisturbed by the outside world, untouched by time. In the quiet darkness, they find not just the weight of the earth, but the soul of it. Every drop of water, every twist of rock, is a testament to the planet's power, its ability to create, to transform, to reshape. The sheer scale of the caves reminds them of how small they are in the grand scheme of the earth. And yet, in this very insignificance, there is a profound connection to something greater than themselves, a connection to the timeless forces that have shaped this planet long before humans walked its surface. And yet, it is in these unknown depths, in places where no human has set foot before, that the explorers find something more than just scientific discovery. They find a mirror to the human condition. We are not just here to explore the Earth's secrets, but to explore ourselves, our limits, our courage, our fears. To descend into the Earth's depths is not only an exploration of geography, it is an exploration of the human spirit. It is here, in the silent, eternal darkness, that we are reminded of our place in the grand scheme of the earth. We are but fleeting creatures, small in the face of forces older than humanity itself. And yet, we persist. We venture deeper. We continue forward, driven by a fundamental need to understand, to know, to push the boundaries of what is possible. And in doing so, we are reminded of something profound, that in the pursuit of knowledge, we find not just the Earth's secrets, but our own. And as they ascend back into the world of light, back into the warmth of the sun, they carry with them more than just memories of the cave. They carry the understanding that the deepest parts of the earth will always be just beyond our grasp. But in that pursuit, in every step taken, every challenge faced, we find something much more meaningful. We find the strength to face the unknown, to explore the world, and to discover the very essence of what it means to be human. For the journey never truly ends. It simply takes us deeper, always deeper, into the mysteries of the earth, into the very core of existence itself.